My name is Haley Henneberry, and I'm a current sixth grade teacher in Worcester Public Schools, a district with over 25,000 students and 4,000 staff members. I accidentally began my teaching career at Clark University when I accepted a work study job as a classroom assistant at Goddard Elementary School. I quickly fell in love with being an educator and decided to pursue a master's in teaching. To this day, I'm thankful for that work study job. I've remained teaching and learning at Goddard for a total of 9 years, and I'm excited to share my Googliness with my school community and beyond. My journey towards becoming a Google certified educator began in 2021 with Worcester's iTeacher program. The iTeacher program invites a group of educators to train and learn Google tools in a collaborative cohort. This cohort invites discussion, problem solving, and real world application of all things Google. It's an honor to be part of Worcester's growing community of Google certified educators. WPS's mission is to provide all students the opportunity to advance their scholarship with rigorous core curriculum and high quality instruction. Google's products help ensure us educators can get this vision accomplished. Thanks to Google for Education, the iTeacher training program, and my own technology curiosity, I'm confident I will be able to uphold the values of WPS and enrich the lives of our students and staff with technology. The tip I want to share is how I create engaging math mini lessons using Google Slides. The first thing I do is I add our title and our learning objective to the first slide. This is so that I can quickly go back and find this slide deck to add to my Google Classroom for my students at a later date. My second slide is going to be some sample problems for students to work through while we're practicing this new topic. I'm going to have my directions at the top. And then just looking at this, I know that my students might need some vocabulary support for those words sum and difference. So I'm going to add this to the left-hand box. Now students can quickly see what those vocab words mean when they're working through these problems. Then I'm going to add our sample set of problems to the right. Beautiful. And finally, I want to add a graphic organizer to this slide. By inserting an image, I can go ahead and add this visual that allows students to work through adding and subtracting decimals on the slide itself. I'm going to add some Pear Deck options to this slide so students can write or draw as needed, making this slide essentially interactive. My next slide that I want to have is a word problem slide. So I'm going to go ahead and again have directions at the top, and then I'm going to have that word problem to the left. Looking at this, I know that my students, again, being ELLs and special education students, could use a visual. So I'm going to add an image of toys to help support my learners. Now I know that this might be a tricky problem, especially working kind of on their own. So I'm going to go ahead and add a video for students to go back and reference. This would be a video that we would watch all together, but would be one that they can watch on their own when they're, again, working through this as a slide deck during independent work time. So now this video, when clicked, will bring to our math website and allow students to watch this. And again, I'm going to turn this into a Pear Deck slide so I can get real-time data from my students. Beautiful. Now my slide deck is complete.